nasty. Nasty.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another one from the Beauty Forever Hair. I'm excited to get into this V-Pro wig. She's 24 inches of love, sex, and thine magic. Okay, look at the texture of this. This looks really, really pretty. She's not crunchy much to the touch because y'all know we leave the pretzels and peanuts for the bars. Okay, all right, and the Chex mixers. So this has 4 clips at the top. Okay, 1 clip in the middle. I like the clip idea because we like it when our wig is secure. Okay, so she has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb right down in the middle, and adjustable straps will kind of forever. This 24-inch unit right now is going for about $210 on beautyforeverhair.com. Okay, so you really do need to check them out. This wig is 150% density, and she is giving, like, absolutely positively giving. Beauty Forever Hair, not only did they provide us with the unit, this also came with a couple gifts. Okay, 1, the wig bag. Let me tell you something. I'm going on vacation. I think I'm gonna do like a get ready with me for vacation kind of thing. And then this, look, I love these because this makes it so much easier to pack your hair, get everything together. So we're definitely going to use those. Okay, your wig bag is really important. They gave us a scarf. Okay, some lashes. Always use a scarf. Wig cap. We are collecting these for days. And my favorite gift. What's my favorite gift, y'all? What is my favorite gift? These Mammy Tatting clips save a life. They'll save a life, ho. So let me just show my Mammy Tatting nail, okay? I done showed y'all everything that I had to come and give. And let me get this wig up on my head. y'all this was gonna take me 10 minutes or no. So this is effortless. First of all, the color of this hair, the texture of this hair. I actually fine tooth combed her out a bit. Obviously you can wear her wet. I like the bigness of this right now. A lot. I think I'm giving like chocolate brown goddess. I'm feeling it. I have on a different lippy today. I feel like this look all the way came together. Like all the way. What do you guys think? Like, do you think this is a vibe? Is this something that you're feeling? Like, I'm really, truly, honestly into this. It's $209. Like, Beauty Forever Hair really came through with this one. Now, she did tangle a bit. I wouldn't even say she tangled. She shed. She shed a bit, but I kind of ran my rat tooth comb through her, so that might not have been the best thing to do. But I did it anyway. Okay. Other than that, I went through, as you guys could see, I kind of made just 2 braids. I was being a bit lazy. Don't judge me. Judge your mammy. Judge your mammy, okay? Because I'm not the one. So I did go through. I braided 2 little braids. I'm probably going to braid my hair sometime between today and tomorrow. But this is Cruise Ready. I'm obsessed. This is a vibe. And again, she didn't take any time to get together. I did leave my hair out on top because the girls were saying that we could wear a V-part without any hair out. And guess what? Denied. Okay? I'll be wearing my hair out with a motherfucking V-part wig. I don't give a damn. All right? It just looks better to me. Like, look at this. That is beautiful. Like, bitch. Listen. I really don't have nothing else to say. This was super easy to do. I mean, unbelievably easy. Now, if this is a look that you're going for, I 1,000, 1 trillion, 1 billion% implore you to go and check out these kind of units. Like U-part wigs and stuff like that. Something just easy peasy. This unit is fire. Fire. Okay? I really don't have nothing else to say. She's really giving. Bitch. Good night. I love you all. Thank you for coming on through. If you have not already, do me a favor. Bust down. Subscribe to this channel. It don't cost you 2 red cents, but it would mean a lot to me, okay? So I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.